All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Fusion. It is the SE model, this beautiful silver with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, alloy wheels, 37,000 miles on this vehicle, sunroof, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. Does have some curbing from here coming around to here. I say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Let's check out your tire right here, which is under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks pretty good, and this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire third under 430 seconds as well. Here's a nice shot of your roof, what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. There's your sunroof, as you can see. Got your power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have it is a powered seat, as you can see there. I don't know what I did with the keys for this vehicle. Jump in here. It does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your turn on the lights. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. Stable controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 37,353. And that pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep the lights on. Open up the trunk. Boom. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks pretty nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. Coming around this quarter, looks pretty decent. Here's a rear passenger rim. Curbing, no curbing. Tire bed. On this 430 seconds, this door does have a little ding right here. Less than an inch, no paint off. It is there. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front drawer. Looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. They have a dent here. Just seen it. Little dingy. This fender, it looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire third here is under 430 seconds as well. Pretty much complete the tour. All lights out, working, cars running. Folks, once again, a 2016 Ford Fusion SE model with 37,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.